and my name is Sri and I'm studying 6th standard. And today I'm gonna teach you a newest topic, and that's the IPA, the International Phonetic Alphabet. And before that, I would like to sing a song for you all, and that was sung by Indina Menzel. I can hear you, but I want some little trouble while I distant. There's 1,000 reasons I should go about my day and ignore your whispers, which I wish would go away. Oh, you're not a voice, you're just a ringing in my ear, and I've heard you, which I don't. I'm spoken for, I fear. Every one of our lives here within these walls. I'm sorry, secrets are in, but I'm looking on your calls. I've had my adventure, I'm doing something new. I'm afraid of what I'm risking if I follow you into the unknown, into the unknown, into the unknown. And that's all. Let's continue our class. Okay, IPA, the International Phonetic Alphabet. In lots of languages, each letter represents only one sound, so it's easy to try and pronounce words just by looking at how the word is spelled. But English isn't like this. Okay, there are 26 letters in the English alphabet, right? But there are 44 different sounds. Let's see how these 26 letters are divided into 44 different sounds. Let's look at them. First, 26 letters are divided into vowels and consonant sounds. So consonant sounds are 24 in number. And these vowels are divided into monophones and diphthongs. And let's go through them. Monophones, okay? E, 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 O, U, O, U, E, O, E, O, O, A, R, O. And let's move on to diphthongs. Ear, 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 ooh, ooh, ow, ow, o, a, I, and oi. So we've been through monophones and diphthongs. Now we'll move on to consonant sounds. So the top row are unvoiced consonant sounds, which means that the sound is made by the air moving from the back of your mouth through and out the lips. Let's go through them. And there's one extra letter that's unvoiced down the bottom, and it's H. So let's go through them. P, T, ch, H. So let's move on to voiced. And voiced means that the sound is made by your vocal cords. You can feel it here, right? And that's called vocal cords. B, v, d, j, g, y. Well, that is for this lesson. Make sure you subscribe to my channel by clicking the red button. See you then. Bye bye.